I am making a cover for a notepad. And this is a package from the Dollar Tree. I think I got 4 or 5 pads. And then I have cut cardstock down to size to fit it. And then I'm going to decorate the front with a coordinating piece of cardstock here. And then embellish it with a little blue bow that I made. So to do this, we line up our cardstock and just kind of give it a rough fold across the top. And then with your bone folder, go ahead and make those creases there more complete, more crisp. All right. So the piece that flips over the back, we want to glue it down well, and I'm using the best glue ever with my No-clog writing cap. And I'm just going to apply an amount here and then go right along the edge. That's going to be the bottom edge there. And I'm just going to fold that over and hold it in place. Now before it becomes permanent, I just want to double check that everything is lining up correctly just by tapping it. So I'm just going to give that a hold for a minute or two just to make sure the glue is in place well. Then to put the embellishment piece on top, and I can do that in a number of different ways. I could do the white with the bow. Let's see what that looks like. Yeah. Alright, I'm going to take the coordinating paper piece and then cover that with the best glue ever. And place that on my notepad. I like to go towards the bottom, but you can place it wherever you like. Also, I'm just eyeballing the placement here, but you can definitely use a ruler if you feel the need. And then I'm just going to put a little bit of glue on the center of the bow, leaving the bow pieces loose. And I'm just going to put that right there and give it a press for a second or two.